Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, that is quadratic equations, finding the roots of different model sums of class 10th. 14th question guys. If alpha comma beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x plus 4 equals 0, then find the equations whose roots are alpha square minus 1 dot, that is into beta square minus 1, that is alpha square minus 1 into beta square minus 1. Second one, 2 alpha plus beta into alpha plus 2 beta. Take down the first one. First we'll solve the first one, then we go to second one. Take the given quadratic equation and compare with the standard form and write the coefficients guys. So after that, write down sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, and product of roots we get 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Then take the given value. This one we need to simplify. This one we need to simplify in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay. So take the product of each and every term. We get alpha beta whole square minus alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 1. Now the given form we converted in terms of sum of the roots and product of the roots. Then substitute the values and simplify. So I substitute the values here. Okay, alpha beta we got 4 by 3 and alpha plus beta is 2 by 3. I substitute all the values, I simplified. So we get, after simplifying, we get 45 by 9 guys, that equal to 5. So 45 by 9, that equal to 5. So this is also it not mention option, so you practice as a sum, very important. I hope you understand this sum. Please go through this sum once again. If you are getting any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section so that I can rectify in the next video. Okay. So thank you for watching guys. In the next video I am going to continue the second sum of same 14th question of second sum. We are going to continue in the next video. Thank you for watching.